In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost the bass of your Windows 11 speakers. So to do this, you need to head over to your start menu and just search for control panel and then click on the control panel window. From the top right hand side, make sure you have view by set to large icons, and then from here we're going to click on sound. Now make sure you have the playback tab selected, and then from this list you need to locate either your speakers or headphones. So I'm going to be increasing the bass of these speakers over here, and what you need to do is right click on your speakers and select properties. Then in this top navigation, click on advanced, and right at the bottom you'll have this option for signal enhancements. You need to make sure that enable audio enhancements is turned on and ticked like so, and this is basically a built-in feature that will add bass to your speakers as well as improving some of the sound quality. So make sure you have this turned on, and then we can press apply and OK. Then simply exit out of this window, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add bass to your Windows 11 speakers. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.